students. So now start example number 11th. Now example number 11th, continuity chapter, example number 11th. Or example 10, discuss the continuity of the given function. Example number 10 also. Example number 10. Example number 10. Discuss the continuity of the function f defined by, and function f of x is given. F of x defined as x plus 2 if x is less or equal to 1, and next value x minus 2 if x is greater than 1. Discuss the continuity of the function f defined by. So here point is not mentioned. किस पॉइंट पे फंक्शन चेक करोगे कंटिन्यूअस. डिस्कस द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द फंक्शन एफ गिवन बाय दिस पॉइंट इज नॉट मेंशन. सो that is check that this function is continuous at every point of the domain of given function. जब पॉइंट मेंशन किया हुआ नहीं होगा तो आप एनी पॉइंट सपोज करेंगे, जनरल पॉइंट. इस फंक्शन के डोमेन में एनी जनरल पॉइंट सपोज करेंगे एंड चेक दैट फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस एट जनरल पॉइंट और नॉट. सेकेंड चीज़ आप चेक करें कि क्या ये फंक्शन में कोई टर्निंग पॉइंट है. टर्निंग पॉइंट गिवन 1 से लेस इक्वल टू, 1 से लेस इक्वल टू पे फंक्शन वैल्यू क्या है x प्लस 2, और 1 से ग्रेटर पे फंक्शन वैल्यू क्या है x माइनस 2. सो 1 इज कॉल्ड टर्निंग पॉइंट. टर्निंग पॉइंट मीन्स जिस पॉइंट पे फंक्शन के वैल्यू चेंज हो रही हो. तो 1 पॉइंट पे फंक्शन के वैल्यू चेंज हो रहा है x प्लस 2 x माइनस 2. सो दिस 1 इज कॉल्ड टर्निंग पॉइंट. तो ये डिस्कस करनी है कंटिन्यूटी. तो फर्स्ट सपोज करें लेट सी बी एनी रियल नंबर एंड सो सी आइदर लेस देन 1. लेट सी बी एनी रियल नंबर, दैट इज सी बी एनी पॉइंट ऑफ द डोमेन ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स, बिकॉज पॉइंट नॉट मेंशन. सो सॉल्यूशन लेट सी बी एनी पॉइंट बिलोंग्स टू डी. डी दैट इज डोमेन. C be any point of domain. So case 1, because here 1 is the turning point, so what is the value of C? Either C is equal to 1 or C is greater than 1 or either less than 1. So suppose case first, if C is equal to 1, then now check that this function is continuous at x is equal to 1 or not, because c is equal to 1. So since 1 is the turning point, क्योंकि 1 से लेस और 1 से ग्रेटर पे फंक्शन वैल्यू क्या है डिफरेंट. सो नाउ फाइंड LHL एंड RHL. सो फाइंड LHL. So LHL is equal to limit x tend into 1 minus f of x. This equal to limit 1 minus f of x. F of x, that is the value of f of x when x less than 1, and when x less than 1, then what is the value of f of x? X plus 2. So write value f of x plus 2, x plus 2. Now put limit x is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 3 is the limit value of LHL. Now find RHL, right hand limit. So is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. This equal to limit x tend into 1 plus, what is f of x? Here x greater than 1. When x greater than 1, then function value is x minus 2. Now put x is equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So this is the RHL. And since LHL is equal to 3, and RHL is equal to -1. Both are not equal to. Since LHL not is equal to RHL at x is equal to 1, therefore f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. तो 1 पे फंक्शन क्या हो गया, नॉट कंटिन्यूअस. नॉट कंटिन्यूअस दैट इज डिसकंटिन्यूअस. A function which is not continuous is called discontinuous. So function is not continuous at x equal to 1. Now check that case 2. Case 2, if c is greater than 1, c की वैल्यू 1 से ग्रेटर है. So when x is greater than 1, then function value is only one function value. So now find limit value. सो डायरेक्ट इसमें लिमिट फाइंड करना है. इसमें LHL RHL फाइंड नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि आप जो निकाल रहे हो, आप निकाल रहे हैं C पॉइंट पे निकाल रहे हैं, और C की वैल्यू क्या है, 1 से ग्रेटर. एंड व्हेन ग्रेटर देन 1, व्हेन x ग्रेटर देन 1, देन फंक्शन वैल्यू इज ओनली 1, दैट इज x माइनस 2. इसमें डिफरेंट फंक्शन वैल्यू नहीं है, तो आप डायरेक्ट निकालोगे लिमिट वैल्यू. सो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू c, f ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू limit x tend into c. What is value f of x? Which value put f of x? Here limit x tends to c, and what is c? C greater than 1. So what is the function value when x greater than 1? That is function value is x minus 2. So put here x minus 2. Now put x is equal to c. So limit value is c minus 2. Now find point function value. That is f of c. F of c, here c also greater than 1. When x greater than 1, then function value x minus 2. So this also value c minus 2. Put here x equal to c. So both are equal. So therefore limit x tend into c, f of x is equal to f of c. So function is continuous at x is equal to c, and when c greater than 1. Now check that, similarly check that when case third, x is equal to, sorry, x less than c. Case third, if c less than 1, सेम चेक कर लेंगे फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस, इसका भी डायरेक्ट निकाल लेंगे लिमिट. इफ x लेस देन 1, देन इसमें भी लिमिट निकाल लेंगे x टेंड्स टू c, f of x is equal to limit x tends to c. What is the function value? Here x less equal to 1, then function value is x plus 2. So limit value is c plus 2. Also function value c is equal to c plus 2. Both are equal. So limit x tend into c, f of x is equal to f of c. Therefore f of x is continuous except f of x continuous at all real value except which value, except 1. Except 1, 1 कुछ लोग जो कि 1 पर तो डिसकंटिन्यूअस है. So here function is continuous everywhere except 1. So next is now example number 11. Example number 11. Example 11 is find all the point of discontinuity of the function f defined by discontinuity. So f of x given, here f of x is x plus 2 if x less equal to 1, sorry, only less than 1, and 0 if x is equal to 1, and x minus 2 if x greater than 1. Question is find all point of discontinuity of the function f defined by. So function of a discontinuity, that is function not continuous. So function, since a polynomial function is continuous at everywhere, f of x equal to x minus 2 is a polynomial function. This is continuous at everywhere. आप देखोगे इस फंक्शन का टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या है? ओनली वन टर्निंग पॉइंट, वन इज ए टर्निंग पॉइंट. तो आप वन पे चेक करो फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस और नॉट. जहाँ पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी फाइंड करना है, आप पहले क्या चेक करोगे? टर्निंग पॉइंट पे चेक करो. टर्निंग पॉइंट पे फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस है कि नहीं. एंड व्हाट इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट? वन इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. सो चेक दैट function continuous at x is equal to 1 or not. So for continuity, that is first find LHS, because different function value are given. So find LHL at x is equal to 1. Check that at x is equal to 1. So find LHL. LHL, that is limit x tending to 1 minus f of x. Put value. So limit x tending to 1 minus, that is less than 1. When x less than 1, then function value is x plus 2. So f of x is equal to x plus 2. Now put x is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. This is LHL. Now find RHL. RHL, that is limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. So this equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, what is f of x? Here 1 plus means greater than 1. When greater than 1, then function value is x minus 2. Now put x is equal to 1. So 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So here LHL is 3 and RHL is minus 1. So therefore LHL not is equal to RHL. Therefore limit does not exist. When limit does not exist, then function not continuous. For continuity, LHL equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. And जिस पॉइंट पे फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस नहीं होगा, that point is called point of discontinuity. Therefore 1 is a point of discontinuity. 1 is a point of discontinuity. Okay, example 11 completed. Now example number 12. Example number 12. Example 12. Example number 12. So 12 given, discuss the continuity of the function defined by f of x given. F of x is x plus 2 if x less than 0 and minus x plus 2 if x greater than 0. Discuss the continuity of the given function. So what is the continuous? किस पॉइंट पे चेक करोगे continuity? Point is not mentioned. That is, suppose C be any point in the domain of the given function. So question is, what is the domain of this function? Domain, that is the value of x. So what is the value of x? Here x less than 0, that is negative real numbers. and here x greater than 0, that is positive real number. So clearly domain D is equal to, D for domain D is equal to all real number except 0. इसमें 0 बिलोंग नहीं कर रहा है, all real number except 0. So let C be any point in this domain. So either point C is less than 0 or greater than 0, because C not is equal to 0. 0 not belong in this point, not belong in domain. So case 1, if C less than 0, when C less than 0, then function value is only 1. X less than 0, only one function. Here 0 not given, C less than 0, कोई negative number पे check कर रहे हो. So find limit. So limit x tends to C, f of x is equal to limit x tend into C, where C is less than 0. C is a negative number. When x less 0, then what is function value? X plus 2. X plus 2. Now put limit value, x is equal to C. So this is the value of limit value of f of x, x equal to C. Now find point function value and f of C, where C also less 0. Then when C less 0, then function value this. Since f of x is equal to x plus 2 when x less than 0, therefore f of C, here C less than 0, so value C plus 2. So both are same. So therefore when C less than 0, then function is continuous. Therefore if C less than 0, then f of x is continuous. Now case 2, if C greater than 0, C suppose किया greater than 0. Now find limit value. So limit x tend into C, f of x, this equal to limit x tend into C, f of x. What is the value f of x? Here C greater than 0, that is positive, then function value is minus x plus 2. Now put x is equal to C, so minus C plus 2, this is the limit value. And now find point function value. So point function value also minus C plus 2 put here, because C is greater than 0, so both are equal. So therefore x tends to C, f of x is equal to f of C. So function is continuous. Therefore f of x is continuous at C greater than 0. So this function is continuous at everywhere. Therefore f of x is continuous at every point. Proved. This function is continuous. तो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 12 हो गया. अब आप एक्सरसाइज 5.1 आप कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर सकते हो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 5 तक ट्राई करेंगे. सो होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 5 होमवर्क, इसको आप ट्राई कर लेंगे. ओके.